Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the sign and the values of trigonometric functions. Okay, so here I will tell you a short trick about how to find the sign of a function in each quadrant. Okay, so here I am trying that this is 0 degree, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270 degree. So it is called as first quadrant, okay, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth. So student, as you move anti-clockwise, the angle increases. That is what I have told you in my first lecture on trigonometric functions. Okay. So here all the trigonometric functions means all trigonometric functions are positive. So student, what to note here is A, all positive. Okay, so here in the second quadrant only sine and reverse of sine is cosine, sine and cosine positive. So what to note here is S. Okay, in the third quadrant tangent and the reverse of tangent is cotangent. So what to note here is T, and here is cosine and reverse of cosine is secant. So what to note here is also is C. So ASTC. So student, ASTC means, this is a short trick students, I am telling you. After school to college. So this is what you have to remember. After school to college. So after means A, in the first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So in the second quadrant only S means sine and the reverse of sine will be positive. Okay, so in the third quadrant tangent means 2, so tangent and cotangent are positive here. Okay, and in the fourth quadrant cosine and secant are positive here. So students, this is the big confusion to students, that in which quadrant which trigonometric functions is positive. Now you can remember that which trigonometric function is positive or negative in which quadrant by learning this short trick of after school to college. Okay students, so now I hope that you guys can easily write which trigonometric function is positive or negative here. So now we will discuss about the values of the trigonometric functions. Okay, so let me first delete all this. So students, now we will discuss about the values of trigonometric functions. So here I am drawing a table. Okay, theta 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, and again at 360. Okay, so you can write 0 as 0, 30 as pi by 6, 45 as pi by 4, 60 as pi by 3, 90 as pi by 2. This is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Okay students, now in the vertical column I will write all the trigonometric functions. Sine cos, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Student, before telling you the values of all these functions, I hope you all remember these relations from the previous classes, that tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta, tan theta equal 1 by cot theta, and secant theta equal 1 by cos theta, sin theta equal 1 by cosecant of theta. Okay, and what else? These are the important relations I hope that you all remember from the previous classes. So students, now I am writing the values of all these trigonometric functions one by one. So the value of function, so and these value you can see from the graph which I have made in the previous lectures of all the trigonometric functions. Okay, so you can observe the value of these trigonometric functions from the graph also. So this is 0 here, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2 here, this is root 3 by 2, means sin 60 is root 3 by 2 here, sin 90 is 1, sin 180 is again 0, sin 270 is sin 270 will be minus 1. As you can know the graph, it will be here minus 1, and this is again 0. Okay, now comes to the cos part. This will be 1 here, root 3 by 2 here, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is half, this is 0, and cos 180. So student, the graph of cos is like this. It is 90 here, 180 here. So it is minus 1, 0, and again at 2 pi it is 1. Okay. So now comes to the, after knowing the values of sine and cos, students, you can use this formula for tan. 0 by 1 will be 0, 1 by 2 upon 1, root 3 by 2 will be 1 by root 3, this will be 1, this will be root 3, this will be not defined, or you can say infinite. Okay, so 0 by minus 1 is 0, this is all again not defined, this is again 0. Okay students, now the cotangent is inverse of tangent, so you can say not defined here, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 here, and this will be 0, this will be not defined, 0, not defined. Okay students, now comes to the secant theta. Secant theta is opposite of cos theta, so I can write 1 by 1 is 1, this will be 2 by root 3, this will be root 2, this will be 2, this will be not defined, this will be minus 1, this will be not defined again, now it will be 1. Okay, and the value of cosecant theta is inverse of sin theta. So from looking at the formula of sin theta, this is not defined here, not defined 2, this will be root 2, this will be 2 by root 3, and this will be 1 by 1, then 1, 1 by 0 again not defined. Okay, and it is minus 1, and it is not defined again. So students, these are the values of all the trigonometric functions at important points. Okay, at 0, theta equal 0, theta equal 30, theta equal 45, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. Okay students, I hope that you all will remember these values, okay, by your heart. Okay, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then students, please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys there. Okay, and download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store and enjoy the learning experience with us. Thank you. Happy learning.